All right, well, good morning. We're going to just take a look really quick at the next section that you'll see in your notes, section 6.6. For this section, all we're going to be doing is multiplying. This is stuff that you know how to do already. Remember that a monomial is something that has only one term, and a polynomial is more than that. So instead of just multiplying monomials together, what you've done earlier in this unit, now we're just building that up a little bit and multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. Please give yourself a minute to complete the warm-up. Go ahead and pause this and give each of these four a shot. Make sure that you can remember how to deal with exponents when you're multiplying terms. Okay, so the answers for the warm-up questions are in blue that you see here on the paper. Remember, when you multiply, the exponents are going to add together. X squared times x is x to the third. Same with the variables over here. And any constants will multiply together as well. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Okay, so when we are multiplying and there's more than one term, like in example 1 here, that goes 4x times all this stuff in parentheses, 5x squared minus 7x plus 3, you need to use these few steps over here on the right. I would write these down in your notes. There should be space along the side there. First thing you're going to do is place the monomial, so the thing out in front of the row of boxes. So 4x will go right here. Then the columns, right now there's just individual boxes, but the polynomial will go on top of each box. So the 5x squared there, the negative 7x there, and the positive 3 here. Make sure that if there's a minus, you bring that down and that term is negative in the box. This box is just a way for us to organize the multiplications to do, because really we need to distribute that multiplication of the 4x into all three terms. And so this box method allows us to organize that and make sure that we hit all of our multiplications. So then next thing you do is you just multiply the row and column label in each box. So 4x times 5x squared is 20x to the third. 4x times negative 7x is negative 28x squared. And 4x times 3, well, that's 12x. Then the final step is you want to pull everything out as an answer. And so then the answer, the result of this multiplication, is right down here in the red box. The next example for you, oh, okay, I guess my timing didn't work out. I'll have to check my animations later. But this one is y times 7y plus 9y squared. So again, the y goes in front of the box, 7y and 9y squared go on top. There's only two boxes here because there was only two terms in the parentheses. Then as we multiply, y times 7y is 7y squared. Y times 9y squared is 9y to the third. If we pull our answer out, though, you might see that the exponents aren't in descending order in standard form. So make sure that you write your answer so that the exponents are descending. Then one more example for you. So again, the negative 3x goes in front. All the terms inside the parentheses go on top. And then when we multiply everything out, negative 3x times 2x squared is negative 6x to the third. Negative 3x times xy is negative 3x squared y. There's the x times x, where the x squared comes from. And then finally, negative 3x times negative 3. Oh, I found a mistake I made. This should be positive 9x here, not negative 9x. And then also that should be in our answer too. That should be plus 9x. I guess I should have double or triple checked my slides. Okay. The animations for this last one aren't there, but if you multiply everything out, so in your example, give this one a try, writing the 5x here, all the terms inside the polynomial here. And then when you multiply each box, the side number times the bottom term, or the top term, you end up with this result here. The big thing with this one to notice is that there's 4 terms inside the parentheses, so there's 4 boxes. Okay, so there's several your turn problems. So go ahead and give each of those a try, and then work with a partner to check your answers and make sure that you are both on the same page. Otherwise, once you finish those and you feel good about those, then move on to the next part in the agenda. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks.